Hi there everyone, Refurbished Corner here. These are the 2 nightstands that I picked up with the dresser set. Missing a knob here. Got some decent wood, needs a little work. And this is an older So I started sanding. I just used this Ryobi hand sander right here with 80 grit. And funny, I pulled the drawer out and look what I found. A picture of the old owner of this furniture. Well, you know, you never know what you're gonna find in these things. Kind of funny. All right, already started getting some layers here. We can see that it's been painted a few times. So you can see that there's probably white, yellow, then brown. So we're gonna actually use that to our advantage and make a really great shabby chic look. Okay, here we go. Hope we do your furniture justice, Mr. Person. Bye. Okay, so my nightstands are finished, and when I sanded these both down, they had completely different paint colors underneath both of them. This one had yellow and green and white. This one had yellow and white. So, saving myself time and using the interest of the piece, I swapped the drawers so that this drawer here went with this one originally, and vice versa, this one with this one, to make them cohesive in the room. And then I put knobs on that were the opposition of color, but the same style of knob, which was just this old little faucet look. And I think these came out pretty cool. Kind of excited about how they look. And there you go. Dun, dun, dun. I left all the natural look. And these have a lot of great character, nice solid pieces.